Vinyl window installation in Tampa, Florida offers homeowners a range of benefits, including improved energy efficiency and enhanced aesthetics. Energy-efficient vinyl windows. Tampa are designed to reduce energy costs by providing superior insulation, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Tampa Window Replacement Services specialize in custom vinyl windows that cater to the unique needs of each home, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. Custom vinyl windows in Tampa are available in a variety of styles and designs, allowing homeowners to choose options that complement their home's architecture. Double-hung vinyl windows in Tampa are a popular choice due to their ease of use and classic appearance. Vinyl window replacement services in Tampa ensure that any issues with existing windows are addressed promptly, maintaining the integrity and performance of the windows. Affordable vinyl windows. Tampa provide a cost-effective solution for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows without breaking the bank. Vinyl window contractors in Tampa are experienced professionals who can guide homeowners through the selection and installation process, ensuring a seamless experience. Vinyl window maintenance in Tampa is essential for prolonging the lifespan of the windows and maintaining their appearance and functionality. Vinyl window upgrades in Tampa can significantly enhance the value and comfort of a home. With a wide range of vinyl window styles available, homeowners can choose from traditional to contemporary designs that suit their personal taste. Vinyl window designs in Tampa are crafted to meet the highest standards of quality and durability, ensuring long-lasting performance. The benefits of vinyl windows in Tampa extend beyond aesthetics and energy efficiency. Vinyl window solutions in Tampa are designed to withstand the harsh Florida climate, providing excellent durability and resistance to moisture and UV rays. Vinyl window experts in Tampa are knowledgeable about the latest innovations in window technology, offering cutting-edge solutions for modern homes. Vinyl window options in Tampa include a variety of features such as enhanced insulation, noise reduction, and improved security. Vinyl window features in Tampa are tailored to meet the specific needs of homeowners, providing a customized solution for every home. Vinyl window specialists in Tampa are dedicated to delivering exceptional service and high-quality products to their clients. Vinyl window enhancements in Tampa can transform the look and feel of a home, adding curb appeal and increasing property value. Vinyl window durability in Tampa is unmatched, with windows designed to withstand the test of time and the elements. Vinyl window performance in Tampa is optimized for energy efficiency, ensuring that homes remain comfortable year-round. Vinyl window aesthetics in Tampa are designed to complement any home style, from traditional to modern. Vinyl window insulation in Tampa is a key feature that contributes to energy savings and improved indoor comfort. Vinyl window technology in Tampa incorporates the latest advancements in materials and design, providing homeowners with innovative solutions for their window needs. Vinyl window innovations in Tampa continue to evolve, offering homeowners new and improved options for their window replacement projects. Vinyl windows. Tampa are a smart investment for any homeowner looking to enhance their home's energy efficiency, aesthetics, and overall value. Tampa Vinyl window installation services are committed to providing top-notch products in your home,